Among the good deeds of Ramadan is the reading of the Quran. It's one of the good deeds. Now, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ didn't say to us, you need to read Quran in Ramadan. He didn't say to us, if you read the whole Quran in Ramadan, you will get this reward, that reward, a house in Jannah, etc. No, he didn't. No hadith like that. If you heard it, you know it's false. It's fake. No such hadith. He revised the Quran in Ramadan with Jibreel. But Allah connected the two. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. The month of Ramadan in which Allah revealed the Quran. Allah linked the two together. And the essence, the foundation of our deen is the word of Allah. Nothing more basic than that. That is the essence of Islam. What Allah said to us. The Quran is Allah speaking to us. And we need to understand the Quran that way. It's not a storybook. A lot of non-Muslims, when they pick up the Quran, they start reading in it. They find it's going here, there, and everywhere. This book is confusing. As it's translated, obviously. It's confusing. It's not a real book. Because they're used to reading the Bible, which is a bunch of stories. It's a storybook. Story after story after story. With great details about these stories. And that's what they're used to. So when they pick up the Quran, and most books, when you get it, if it's a book with some kind of a message, not a science book, but a book with some kind of a message, it's a story. It's coming in some kind of story form. We're used to stories. From we were children, what do we like? Bedtime story. Huh? What kind of books do we like to read? Books with stories in it. We're raised on that. We're inclined to stories. So when they pick the book up, it's not following the story pattern. They say, this is confusion. I'm expecting a story. I'm looking for a story. I mean, yes, there is the story of Prophet Yusuf. It's there, one story. But is there another chapter that we can say that whole chapter is a story? One story? Can't find it. So then what? This is the point that is lost on many, that the Quran is talking to us. It is Allah speaking to us. He is communicating with us. And just as when you sit down and communicate, if you listen to two people talking, do they talk in stories? They sit down for half an hour and they just tell one big long story? No. They will start something, then something else comes up, and this one adds this one and that one. That's how we speak. We don't speak in stories. But this is the Quran talking to us. So Allah talks to us and to all of our needs, whether psychological, whether emotional, whether spiritual, whether material. Allah talks to us through the Quran. This is the word of Allah.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.